Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we want to do peace to counseling. Before that, introduce my name is Rani Puspitasari as a counselor and my college Imas as a counselor. Yo, let's go.
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam. Is this Imas who at a counter, Miss?
Yes, Miss, I'm the one who visited Miss.
Okay, how are you doing today?
Pretty good, Miss. How are you, Miss?
Miss is good too. What are you busy with right now?
For now, it's just college, Miss.
Okay, how is college going?
Alhamdulillah, it's smooth. It's good.
Alhamdulillah. Has Imas ever attended counseling before?
I've never missed this for the first time I'm attending counseling.
Okay, do you Imas know what counseling is?
I know a little bit. Counseling is a process of providing assistance from a counselor to the counselee. Is it right, Miss?
Yes, that's right. Imas, counseling is the provision of assistance by a counselor to his client, where the goal is to help his client find a way out the problems he is facing.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, here I will also convey a little about principle in counseling, where in counseling there are three principles that we must obey together. The first principle is the principle of confidentiality. On this principle, IMAS does not have to worry about the problems that IMAS will convey later spread, because whatever IMAS convey later will be guaranteed confidentiality. The second principle is the principle of openness. On this principle, IMAS is asked to be open in conveying the problems that IMAS is experiencing without anything being misused or exaggerated, so that we can find a way out together in this IMAS problem. And finally, there is the principle of volunteerism. IMAS following this counseling because of the element of coercion or of his own volition.
Owen will, Miss.
Alhamdulillah, then before we enter the counseling stage, is there anything Imas would like to ask first?
For now, there is no, Miss.
Okay, then before that, our counseling was only 30 minutes. Imas, I hope that's enough time.
Okay, Miss, I think it's enough.
Please, what do you want to convey?
So it's like this. I'm having a problem with my close friend, Miss.
Uh, Try to tell me what problem Imas in.
So I'm staying away from my friend and not being the same because he chose his new friend far more than me.
What is the reason Imas think like that?
Because yesterday I had an appointment with Hermes to do the task together, but suddenly she's canceled it just like that and suddenly. The reason is because she wants to accompany her friend who is alone at home. I am really disappointed with her attitude, which is as no change, Miss. And I'm confused, Miss. Shall forgive her or stay away from her?
Previously, were you comfortable, happy, and enjoying when you were playing with him?
Yes, of course, Miss, because she was always there when I need her. She was also kind, caring, and cool person.
Of course, who does not want to have friends like him, right? But no matter how close you are with him, he also certainly has busy things out there. So, as a good friend, you must also be able to understand him.
Yes, miss, but he shall not cancel the promise he made earlier.
Yes, that's right. Yes, that's true. But you also have to know more about what actually made him cancel the premise you made early, because it kids have been his meeting with his friend at that time. It was much more important and urgent.
Yes, miss, because at the time, he only said her friend was alone.
So what do we must want to do now?
For now, like I have to forgive him and learn again, miss, to be able to understand each other.
Yes, that's great. We as friends also have to understand our friends. We cannot always force him to be there when we need him, because he must also have other activities out there. And one thing must remember is that when Imas is explicit with him, Imas does not need to remember his mistakes, but Imas always remember the kindness B has given to Imas.
Yes, miss, you are right. Now I'm much more aware. To be friends, we can force our own will.
Yes, of course, Imas. How about Imas? Is there anything else Imas would like to say?
No, miss. I think it's enough.
Good, if it's enough, because our time is also limited and only 5 minutes left. Hopefully, our counseling this time is useful, and Miss thanks Imas for trusting Miss to help solve the problems Imas are currently facing.
Yes, miss. I also want to thanks. I want to say thank who has taken the time to help me.
Yes, you are welcome, Imas. I say goodbye, Imas. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yes, miss. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.